Hi, Kim! Hi to all! Ayan, shout out to all Cliff, shout out. Fine, Uncle watching here, thank you so much. Back to you po,
Ayan. Cleve to, what's that? Good afternoon to all. Ayan.
Buti wala trabaho ngayon, Sir Pats.
Ano po yun, Ma'am Jane?
Buti wala kang pasok ngayon sa dito.
Oh, Sunday pa.
Buti free ka ngayon.
Ano yun po yun, Ma'am?
Okay, back to you na.
Sige. Di ko marinig kasi ano siya, parang putol-putol.
Oo, parang ganun din sa akin. Pero okay lang, kanta ka lang.
Sige. Thank you very much. Oo. Ayun, nawala yung ano, no? Live background. Background muna ako. Yan, nagka-problema siguro tayo sa sa anong tawag dito? Sa signal. Sige. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Please do not forget, guys, meron din tayong Sir Parts Show. May mga kantahan at saka aktingan doon sa Sir Parts Online. Happy to be connected with you po para makapag-share po sa mensahe po natin. Ito na lang. Ayan. As down my dreams were wearing thin. When you lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. And you smiled and I reached out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look, then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, and now 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Like I feel in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. Baby, love is here and now. There's two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people, two less lonely people, two less lonely people in the world tonight. It's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Yeah. That's okay. That's basically me here 99% of the time because I don't speak Tagalog. Yeah, that's call sign Raven. So you're a foreigner, sir. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. And hopefully you can subscribe as
Ayan.
yun, meron tayong Sir Part Show, kanta-kantahan. Kaya nagko-connect kami ni Jane kasi may kanta-kanta. Ayan.
Kailan ka magla-live co-host?
Every day, yung live ko hindi siya specifically schedule ko kasi meron akong chess games na live, tapos may live din ako about mga Sir Part stuff, meron ding Sir Part Show. So, dapat pala in-schedule yan para at least alam ng mga
Ang tagal ng ang tagal ng premiere mo.
Yung premiere?
Ang tagal ng premiere mo, no?
Oh, yan? 5 hours.
Ilang hours ba to?
5 hours yan. Iwanan mo na yan. 5 hours yan.
Tinignan ko.
Accidentally recorded siya, naging 5
Ah,
hours.
okay.
Upload ko na lang, tapos ginawa ko na lang siyang parang para mapansin. Yun yung ginagawa ng iba, gawa ng mga parang yung premiere para mapansin at doon.
Pero nag-live.
Hanggang yata yan, parang 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock ma-end. Okay lang yan. Ayan. Yun guys, thank you very much for
Ang tagal.
And yeah, may bago tayong kakilala.
Okay, ako ka.
Ikaw na host. Tapos, sige. Mag-mute mo na ako. Yan, shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Hope you enjoy.
Okay.
Bye!
Ayan, charot. circle sign. Circle sign. What would you want if it were just one thing? Yeah, 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 yeah. God is great. Yeah, 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 yeah. As one of us, this is love like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make me say home. Got a fears, what would it look like and would you want to be? Let's say it's nothing, but you see, and just heaven that God is good. Yeah, yeah, God is good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My God was one of us. This is not like one of us. One of us trying to make me say, oh.
Ayun, nawala si host. Dahil siguro sa signal. Ayan guys, hintayin muna natin siya. Hey, Prince Show, maraming salamat sa pagpalakpak. Ayan po. Agway, nahulog. Oo nga, Prince Show. Nahulog po si host. Ayan, hintayin natin ng konti. At pag wala, entertain ko na lang kayo. Ayan, nandyan na si Ma'am Jane. Hello, Ma'am Jane.
Wala, napin...
Ayan.
Back to you, co-host na. Wala, napindot ko, tapos nawala yung screen ko.
Napindot lang pala. Sige guys, this song is Time of My Life. Enjoy the song. It's by Belle Midley and Jennifer Wams. Now I've had the time of my
Hello.
life. I never felt like this before. If I swear it's the truth, 'cause I've had a time to live. It's the time of my life, and I owe it all to you. Been waiting for so long, now I finally found someone to stand by me. So the writing on the wall as we feel this magical fantasy. Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise it secretly. We take each other's hand, cause we seem to understand the urgency. Just remember, you're the one thing I can't get enough of. So I tell you something, this could be love, because I've had the time of my life, No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. Even body and soul, I want you more than you'll ever know. No. So we'll just let it go. Don't be afraid to lose control. No. Yes, I know what's on your mind when you say stay with me tonight. Just remember, you're the one thing can't get enough of. So I'll tell you something. This could be love because I had the time of my life. I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I'm alive, and I've searched through every open door. So I found the truth, and I owe it all to you. Yan, magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. Monica Morales. Diyan pa din si Prince Show. Thank you also sa Digital Family. Call sign Raven, thank you. I've had a time of my life. No, I've never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I've had the time of my life. No, I've never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I've had the time of my life. No, I've never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. Ayan, back to you, host. Thank you very much. Call sign Raven. Where are you from, sir? You are from USA or what country? Then, thank you sa palakpak, Ma'am Jane Vlogs. Cleve, thank you very much for coming. Thank you sa palakpak. Hope you enjoy the songs. Ayan, host.
Ayan, thank you. Yes. Cleve, shout out, Cleve. Thank you for singing, co-host. Nelson, Prince Sean, shout out. Ay, huwag kayo mag-away sa choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo. Shout out. Almost make crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. I've been I take with you along to fill your time. my heart and say I love you. Let's see your love breaks heart. Listen words, eager joys and loves. If you do, just reach out. Love you. Let's see love breaks through. It's your words, they could chance our lives forever. And I promise that we will always be together. I love you. Let's see your love breaks through. Thank you sa pagsayaw ko, host. Monica, shout out. Ayan, Cleve. Shout out, Cleve. How are you? Patrick, you.
Ayan, napakagandang kanta. Ayan. Cleve, shout out Cleve, call sign Raven.
Hindi ba putol-putol yung boses ko?
Mag-ano siya, magputol-putol minsan. Pero tuloy-tuloy lang ako sa pagsayaw. Ayan, Jane.
Putol siya minsan. Signal ko siguro, no?
Sa akin, baka sa signal. Ayan, guys.
Ewan ko bakit ano nangyari sa ano ko signal. Friends, shout out.
Ito guys, kantahin natin ito. Gary Valenciano's The Warrior is a Child. Enjoy the song. Lately I've been winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me. I'm hiding all my tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside these are more. The warrior is a child. unafraid because his armor is the best. But even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm amazing, never face retreat, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, deep inside the warrior is a child. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and look up for his mind. 'Cause deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. Ayan, host. Maulang araw po dito sa Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. How about yan, host? Sa Davao, maulan din ba?
Hindi ko masyado marinig yung boses mo. Pero sa sa nakawatch sa baba, okay naman. Pero dito, sa biit ko siguro, no?
Okay lang, host.
Wala ka mic, co-host?
Ano yun, host?
Sabi ko, wala ka ba mic? Call sign, Shara.
Call sign, Raven, nandyan pa. Palakpak. Thank you, Call Jane. Balansag family, shout out. Ayan.
Oo, balansag, shout out. Monica, enjoy lang po sa pag-uwi. Ano nangyari kay Whitey ngayon?
Yan, maulan po dito sa Siocon. Ayan guys, mag-invite ako minsan. Meron tayong Sir Parts Talks na programa sa Sir Parts Online. Yan yung topic natin na pinopromote ngayon. Yan. Maging sip-sip para maging successful. Ayan guys. So, yan, galing sa libro ni Norman Vincent Peale. Sa kanyang libro na tinatawag na...
Ayan, mag-promote ka muna dyan po, host, ha?
Ayan.
Mag-promote ka ng mo.
Para maging successful. So yan guys, so ginawa natin ng acronym. Ayan, so para maging successful, unang-una na attitude, kailangan natin maging courageous. Courageous tayo po na yung channel natin maging maging successful na makapag-share sa buong mundo. And ito, letter E, enthusiastic. Dapat magiging tayo, alive and kicking sa pag-promote sa channel natin kasi meron tayong content na ibabahagi to all the people around the world. And pangatlo, P sa SipSep is positive. We have to be always positive kahit may mga event na hindi maganda na mangyari sa buhay natin. We have to be positive kasi may kahit na mga problema dyan or challenges, meron yang opportunities na pwede nating kikitaan. The next is confident. Dapat confident po tayo sa ginagawa natin kasi wala tayong tinatapakan na tao. Ayan. And expectant. We have to expect na yung channel natin magiging successful siya as a platform para makapag-share po sa buong mundo. At lastly, P, we have to be peaceful. Pag itong sep-sep nasa inyo, for sure, maging successful po kayo sa buhay. Details sa talk na yan, magkakaroon tayo ng Sir Parts Talks about it, pero wala pang schedule. So please subscribe lang para makita po ninyo. Thank you, Jane. Ayan, kakanta na si Jane. Smile naman, Jane. Ayan.
Okay, tapos ka na mag-promote?
Tapos na. At magla-last song ako mamaya, Jane, kasi palobat ako.
Okay, sige. Ako'y kakanta lang naman. All songs. If love is on your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you want. There's an answer if you're reaching down your soul, and there's all that you know under the way. Did a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and because your first aside, and you know you can't survive. So when you hold the sky, love inside you won't be strong, and you finally see the truth that I hear lies in you. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one urges yourself ahead for you to hold. You can find love if you sound in yourself, and the emptiness you feel will disappear. Until a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and because you face aside, and you know you can't survive. So when you hear the sky, be strong, and you finally see the truth that I hear lies in you. Your heart knows dreams are hard to follow, but don't make me want turning my way. Yeah, hold on, there will be tomorrow. Time you find a way. Until a hero comes along with a strength to carry on. I know you can't survive. So when you hold up the sky, look inside you, be strong, and you finally see the truth that I hear lies in you. That I hear lies in you. Kausan, J Blas, my friend, shout out. Yan, back to you, co-host.
Wow, Jane, ano, singer ka? Ano,
Thank you
professional
sa
singer ka,
pag-akyat,
Jane?
co-host, ha.
Ha? Ano,
Thank you sa pag-akyat. Tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin sumayaw.
oo. Sige, magla-last song na po tayo. Thank you very much, Ma'am Jane, sa
Okay.
opportunity na makapag-share ng
Salamat.
content natin dito sa dito sa YouTube. Ayan. So guys, maraming salamat. Please subscribe sa Sir Parts Online. Hopefully baka may matutulong din po tayo in the future sa inyo. Sa chess, meron tayong typing na content, meron tayong IT talks about information technology, meron po tayong about Sir Part talks, Sir Parts I teach, meron tayong comedy, meron tayong mga acting-actingan, ayan. So, please subscribe and ring the bell po. Maraming salamat. And ito po yung last song ko. It's an OPM, kaya nagbabarong tayo ngayon. It's an original Filipino music na kinanta ni Martin Rivera. And ito po yung meron akong video dyan na sumali ako dito, provincial competition, singing competition. First time na sumali ko po. And ayun, nagkamali po tayo. Grade dati, nagkaroon tayo ng 64% na grado sa isa sa mga judges. Yung dalawa, 80. Yung second judge, 80. Yung pangatlo, 81. So, kakantahin natin muli ito para mabigyan ng hustisya yung kanta na to. Okay, I hope you enjoy the song Be My Lady. Be my lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. Let the walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. You're the one that I adore, so please believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. Let the walls divide us now, to dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life, just like a work of art. My love will last until forever. Just like the work of art, my love will last until forever. Your nose. Thank you. Thank you Ma'am Jane. Thank you kay Sadi Katambay, Pilangi Studio, Buknoy, at sa lahat.
Ayan. Thank you, co-host ha. Thank you sa pag-akyat.
Baka makabalik tayo.
Ayan, Sharat, Boknoy, Sadik, Pilangi.
Maraming salamat po. God bless you all. Maraming salamat. Bye ma'am host. See you po next time.
Bye-bye. Thank you sa pag-akyat, co-host ha. Thank you.